Hey my loves, welcome back. So for today's video, I will be doing a wig review. Wiggins Hair was kind enough to send me over a glueless wig to try on. I will be showing you guys how I install the wig myself. You all know that I do a lot of braids, so I'm still a beginner when it comes to glueless wigs and lace closures, but I must say this wig was quick and easy. So in the box here, I received some eyelashes, an edge brush. They also sent over the Wiggins edge band, and also I got some wig caps. You get 2 in a pack. I got my cap size in a medium, and they do have small, medium, and large available on the website, and I got 24 inches. So straight out the box, their hairline looks so seamless and natural. I love the fact that the wig is already pre-plucked to make it look more natural, and the knots are already bleached, and I'm so happy that the laces are already cut, which is the point of the wig being glueless. I'm not that great at cutting the lace, so this is good for beginners. Just from my past experience, I'm not good at it. So the wig does come with 2 combs. It comes with the adjustable straps in the back, and it also comes with the wig grip strap, and you can also adjust this here strap. Here you can make it loose or you can make it tight. So let's get into these curls. As you guys can see, these curls are really bouncy, but they are really soft to the touch. I did not experience any shedding while running my fingers through the curls. So I absolutely love the way these curls look. So right now I'm just pulling my hair back so I can go ahead and put on the wig cap that was provided for me. So I already went ahead and adjusted my straps for my liking, so I want my wig to be very secure. So as I'm putting on this wig, I'm just trying to figure out how, the wig cap underneath should be. So I am doing a little adjusting. You might have to play around with it in the beginning, but like I said, I am a beginner, so I am playing around with it and see what works for me, and just trying to make sure everything looks as natural as possible. But girl, like, I was so impressed. Like, I already saw the vision. So right here, I'm just creating some baby hairs. You don't have to do this part. This is optional, but who doesn't love baby hairs? So I'm not doing any dramatic baby hairs. I'm just doing something really light and wispy. I just took some hair mousse and kind of sprayed a little bit of Got to Be Glued on the back of my hand with the hair mousse. Just kind of do like a little concoction, and just to help smooth out the baby hairs. But that's about it. That's all I did. And I mean, it turned out nice for me as a beginner. Like I said, I do want to play around with it a little bit more, but as a beginner, just to put this on and do your baby hairs, like, this is good. I love the fact that I don't have to cut the lace. Like, that was the biggest thing for me. And I'm just taking the band and just making sure that the baby hairs are laying down. And I am combing out the curls with a wide tooth comb. Once I comb it out, I'm just taking the hair and kind of flipping it in a direction it was curled. And I like the curls combed out better. And right here, I'm just showing you guys how long the hair is when it's curled. This is the perfect length for me. I wouldn't go any longer than this. This is perfect. And I'm showing you guys how long the hair is towards the front while it's curled. I'm just taking some mousse because I don't have a hot comb to flatten out the top, but you really don't need to do that. I just took some mousse just to kind of, make it look more smooth. And I'm just showing you guys again here, like, how natural the hairline looks. I absolutely love this hair, you guys. It's so pretty, so pretty, and I love that this was so easy to install. I didn't have to do much. So this is the final look, you guys. Let me know how you guys like it. All the information on this hair will be in the description box. Make sure you guys check out Wiggins Hair, and I'll talk to you guys in another video.